Hey guys, welcome to WP Learner's YouTube channel. In this channel, we'll be sharing tips, tricks, and tutorials on everything related to WordPress. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. In today's video, we're going to focus on how to create a menu in WordPress's 2023 theme using the full-site editor. If you have been using WordPress since a while, you will know that there is no longer an option to edit our menus from the WordPress's dashboard. So let's get started. First, what we're going to do is we're going to head over to our WordPress dashboard. So as you can see on the left, there is no longer a menu tab. So we have to edit our menus through the full site editor. And so basically what a full site editor is like, we can edit our entire page from one screen. So that's a really good thing, but it takes a while to get used to it. So let's head over to the full site editor. So what we can do is on our dashboard, we're going to click on appearances. Then we're going to click on editor. Yeah, in the full site editor right now. To insert a menu, what we can do is we're going to add a block and search for navigations, and we're going to click on navigations. So this right here is your menu. Navigational blocks are what menus are right now. And the good thing about that is anywhere we can add a block, we can add a menu. So we are not shackled by themes anymore. Like previously, we had to set our menus where our team wanted us to put the menu. Like suppose some of them had menus on the header, some of them had them on the footer or on the side. We don't have to worry about that anymore. So we're going to select the navigational block that we just created. And if you previously had a menu which you were editing, that's going to pop up in front. And if you want to create a new menu, we're going to go to the block settings on the right. Under the menu section, we just going to click here and we're going to select create a new menu. Now, in your navigational block, there is a plus symbol. We're just going to click on that. And here we can add the items that we want to display on the menu. So since this is a dummy website that I created, it's a lifestyle website. So the first page is going to be the home page. But I don't have a home page set yet. So I'm just going to create a draft home page. Select, create a draft page. Second item that I'm going to add is fashion. This is also going to be a draft page. So item. Here. And this is how you create menu items. Now we're going to add sub-items to our menu. These are the menu items, and to add sub-items to them, we're going to click on the item that we want to add the sub-items to. And in top toolbar, there's going to be an option add sub-menu. I'm just going to click on that, and it's going to display a place where we can add the sub-items. So under the fashion tab, I'm going to search for design. Gonna add another sub-item, fashion. And that's how you create submenus. That's about it. And I'm gonna show you how to customize your menu in a future video. And so click on the bell icon to stay updated. And that's about it for this video. I'll catch you next time.